Stuck in a stuffy classroom, I noticed my students' eyes glazing over. They needed a change. Inspired by a nature documentary, I decided to create an outdoor classroom. With just a few logs and a whiteboard, we transformed a corner of the schoolyard. The fresh air and chirping birds sparked curiosity and engagement. Students began asking questions, connecting lessons to the world around them. Test scores improved, but more importantly, their love for learning was rekindled. Sometimes a change of scenery is all it takes to ignite passion. Try it and watch minds blossom. Hit like, subscribe, and comment.